Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for January 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see what's up with you. January 16 to 31. Okay, 5th house. Okay, and then you have Uranus in Pisces. Wow. 5th house is about your creativity. So, maaring you will have more fun pagdating sa creative talent, skills ninyo. You will be exploring that. Yung iba, meron kayong madidiscover sa sarili nyo na, uy, talent ko pala to, uy, magaling pala ako dito. So, you'll never know hanggat hindi ka nag-explore. So, might as well, be more creative ngayong second half ng January, or ano man itong mga ideas mo, no? Actually, marami ka ideas, but hindi mo siya ginagawa. So, syempre, hanggat hindi mo yan ginagawa, you're not taking action on your ideas, it will remain an idea. No? So, take action. And then also, 5th house is about dating. Pwede rin merong unexpected na romantic connection for some of you. Pwedeng sa abroad or pwedeng person na foreigner, ganyan, or long distance relationship, pwedeng OFW. It's unexpected, no? Pwedeng pinakilala ng kaibigan mo, and then nagkagustuhan kayo, ganon. So, you might be taking this connection a chance to get to know someone, makilala ang isang tao. Some of you, maaring merong unexpected news about your child, no? Kung meron kang anak na malayo sa'yo ngayon, or you're not really in touch with your child, meron siyang sarili niyang buhay, or, for some reasons, magkalayo kayo. Maaring may unexpected news na manggagaling sa kanya. Okay, let's see what else. Capricorn. For Capricorn. Oh, you have the Death card. So this is about transformation, endings, new beginnings. Maaring merong natatapos na chapter sa buhay mo, and now you are starting a new chapter in your life. You have the Queen of Swords. Someone na very pagdating sa decision making, maingat na maingat. Yan ba sa inyo nag-cut off kayo ng person sa buhay nyo? Someone that is no longer serving your highest good. You have the Four of Cups. Meron ditong energy na parang hindi kontento sa situation nyo ngayon. You feel like there is something missing. Yung parang there's some sort of frustration here with the Four of Cups. Na parang whatever you have right now, parang hindi mo nakikita yung resulta na gusto mo. This can be sa project mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. Na parang you are doing your best, or you are doing something about it, may ginagawa ka, pero it seems na you are expecting a lot, you are expecting more, okay? Maaring ito rin yung reason kaya parang you will give up on something because sa tingin mo, hindi na to para sa'yo. Makes sense with the Ace of Pentacles. And then this Death card here, which is endings and new beginnings. So, some of you, this is related to your career, your business, your finances. Pwedeng merong bagong creative na opportunity for you na pinag-iisipan mo kung gagawin mo na ba. Kung lagi mo na lang bang iisipin, kasi meron din ditong Pisces energy. Sometimes kasi ang energy ng Pisces is becoming delusional, or parang nabubuhay sa sa something na nasa isip lang, or parang na nangangarap ng walang action na ginagawa. So, it's time for you to take that step, no? Para makita mo na yung resulta niyan. Syempre, wala tayong aanihin kung wala tayong itatanim, 'di ba? So, I think you are now in the process of contemplating sa yung situation. Parang naghihintay ka ng sign or ng go signal, no, from the universe na, uy, gawin mo na. But actually, nasa iyo yon, na ikaw yung may hawak ng sign na yan, kung gagawin mo na ba o hindi. Okay? Let's see what else. I think meron may magkakaroon ka ng situation na parang yun yung magti-trigger sa'yo na to finally do it. Yung idea mo. Oh, you have Saturn and Capricorn in the 10th house, which is about riches. Saturn kasi is the planet of rewards. Di ba yung rewards na kukuha yan kapag meron kang efforts na ginawa, 'di ba? Or some sort of sacrifices. So yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay mag-e-effort lalo na sa career ninyo or sa mga gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay, definitely you will get rewards. You also have Saturn here, Saturn in Libra in the 7th house. Parang gustong makita ni Saturn kung talagang ikaw ay desidido, determinado sa mga sa plano mo or sa mga ideas mo. Kasi puro Saturn tong lumabas dito eh. You also have Jupiter, which is the planet of abundance, the planet of expansion. So, meron kang creative ideas dito na the moment na gawin mo siya, this will bring you abundance, this will bring you prosperity, this will bring you opportunities. Kailangan mo ng kumilos, Capricorn, kung talagang ikaw ay matagal ng pinag-iisipan yan. You also have, this is Venus in Scorpio in the 8th house, which is about secrets. Venus is the planet of love. This is also the planet of money, luxury. So, parang meron kang ma-unlock. Kasi I'm seeing, kasi meron ditong key, meron ditong susi, na hawak-hawak mo. Na parang yung susi na yan, yun yung kakawala sa'yo sa limitasyon mo. So, parang you are unlocking the secrets. Oh my God. You are locking the secrets to success, Capricorn. Oo. So, kailangan mo na talagang mag-take action sa mga ideas mo. So, you'll never know, no? Yun pala talaga yung magdadala sa'yo sa destiny mo, sa fulfillment mo. See, you have the magical powers. Oh my God, Capricorn. You also have grace, which is about grasya, blessings coming in sa'yo. You also have glamour. Ayan. Some of you, meron kayong gustong i-improve sa inyong sarili, physical appearance, that will really help you to gain more confidence. Oo, Capricorn. So, ipagpatuloy mo yan. Yung iba sa inyo, you are doing some glow up, improving the way you carry yourself, may mga improvement kang ginagawa. So, sa money, career, finances, maaring maka-experience ka rito na parang, alam mo yung roller coaster ride na minsan you're feeling good and then you're feeling down. So, you have to manage your emotions and be that person na tutulong rin sa sarili mo. Kasi, Capricorns are very independent and you have that ability to be the hero of your own tragedy, kumbaga. Oo. You have the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, you are going to do mga multiple sources of income. Magja-juggle ka ng iba't ibang pagkakakitaan. And nakakapagod siya, pero that is going to be rewarding para sa'yo. Yan yung nakikita ko dyan, rewards. So, sa relationship, some of you are open-minded sa connection ninyo. Yung iba, bibigyan nyo pa ng chance ang isang tao sa buhay ninyo na bumalik sa buhay nyo. This can be a romantic partner, a loved one, a family member, or a friend, na ngayon mas malawak na yung isip mo pagdating sa naging relationship nyo or connection nyo. So, maaring kayo ay mag-uusap, you will be working on your differences, and eventually you will understand, no? Bakit nagkaroon ng problema sa inyong relationship in the first place. So, there's going to be clarity here. I think, part yan ang growth ng connection ninyo. A tranquil spirit comes with accepting inner dichotomy. So, ito nga yung pagkakaiba-iba natin, no? Na it doesn't mean na magkaiba-iba tayo ng mga personality. Yun na yung magiging dahilan para hindi natin ma-accept or magustuhan yung bawat isa. So, we can be, sabi nga, we can agree to disagree. We can support each other kahit meron tayong different preferences. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much and see you again.